Welcome to my channel. Today I am making a simple Indian chicken curry. Please support my new channel by liking, sharing and subscribing, and comment down below on what you would like to see next. Add 3 chef's spoons of oil and wait for it to heat up. Once the oil has heated up, add 3 large chopped onions. Keep mixing until they soften and turn golden brown. Now add your cinnamon stick, a few cloves and some pepper balls. Once your onions are a nice golden brown, add your tomatoes. I added 1 tomato tin and 1 teaspoon of tomato puree, but you can also use fresh tomatoes. Keep mixing for 2 minutes. Add 2 teaspoons of salt. Add 2 teaspoons of chili powder. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Add 2.5 teaspoons of grounded cumin. Add 1.5 teaspoons of garlic. I have used garlic granules today, but you can also use fresh garlic. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger. Mix thoroughly and wait for the oil to rise. Add 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Add 2 whole washed chickens. I have added 3 chopped potatoes, but you can leave these out if you want. Add 1.5 glasses of water. This will help the potatoes and the chicken to cook. Let this cook on high heat. Once it's bubbling, let it simmer with the lid on low heat for approximately 20 minutes. For an extra kick, I have added 3 sliced green chilies. This is optional depending on how hot you like your food. Add a handful of coriander. This can be served with rice, naan bread or chapatis. Enjoy! Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.